The sun comes up, it's bright and high. It paints its gold across the sky. Good morning, trees, the flowers say. Nature loves to start the day. Clap your hands and sing along. Nature sings a lovely song. Birds and bees and butterflies flying under big blue skies. The clouds go by so soft and white. They bring the rain, they bring the light. Raindrops fall on grass and tree, growing flowers happily. Clap your hands and sing along. Nature sings a lovely song. Worms and frogs and buzzing bees living near the lakes and trees. So let us care